Alright, viewers, welcome onto the channel. It's still the Volta for 2023, right here at the Jubilee Park in the Volta region. My name is Christopher Ebenezer. But when you see me on the street, you can call me Shandy. And today we came across a gentleman, very handsome man, and he was doing some painting. So we saw him from afar, and we wanted to have a conversation with him. The kind of inspiration he's getting out of the paintings he's doing, because there are several paintings all around here, nice paintings all over. I don't know where he's getting the inspirations from. So, my brother, what's your name?
My name is Dela Adonu.
Dela Adonu,
Yeah.
from Motown here, right?
Yes, currently I'm in Mo, but I come from Anyapo.
Yeah.
So I'm an artist and I specialize in traditional painting for illustration.
So, what's the inspiration? Where did you get all these inspirations from?
From my work, I'll say through experiences. I've been through some kind of experience. So sometimes I use those things as inspiration. And sometimes the stories I hear from people or my friends that are around. So generally, what inspires me is anything that has life, that is the environment, our immediate environment, or anything that has life. You can say maybe a tree, the way they move, the way the tree moves, the way the leaves, the way they move, they inspire me. Those things inspire me. Anything that has life in there inspires me.
Oh, that's fine. So what you painting now? Where do you get this inspiration from? But you just let me know that anything that has life.
For this, I'm just trying to use the color to show, how do you call it, perspective in my painting. I'm just trying to use the color to show perspective. And sometimes the sound that is coming from behind, that is very noisy. So I'm using that tone from work actually.
Oh,
So I'm connecting with the sound and the noise around. So all that I try and put all that in my work.
how that does work? Like getting the inspiration from the music.
So when we come to a noisy place like this, it can be connected to warm or hot colors.
Oh, okay.
Because the place is noisy and you can't hear anything. So in color, when you see in color, when something is noisy or strong, then it means it has to do with vibrant colors. So in a way, I'm just trying to connect with the sound behind the background.
Oh, all right. So you just heard it. You said when he's hearing the sound, he's getting some sort of inspirations out of the sound there, the noisy one, and he just connected it to the vibrancy of the atmosphere. So he's getting some vibrancy there using to do the painting. And I've never heard of this before. It's good to get in touch with him. And there are several paintings here. And for how long have you been doing this?
I've been painting for professionally for more than 6 years now.
And unprofessionally?
So since I was a kid, growing up, it was part of me. So I started painting, I started creating art for my friends when we were in school. Sometimes I create art for them for free. So it started as a hobby. So, and then going forward, I had to go and pursue my tertiary education. So I pursued industrial application at the Home Technical University. So it started way back.
And it's paying, right?
For now, yeah, these are the beginning, so it's okay. It's okay for now. Yeah,
But
I'm satisfied with the way it's going at the beginning.
I asked that question because usually, one of those days you can attest to the fact that most of our parents and colleagues, when you talk about art, most people feel like, oh, that thing is not going to pay. But like that, they can never go. You school all our business, to reach, go and do business, do banking and accounting. I don't know, growing up you could have such encounters or such utterances from your parents or colleagues or friends.
Yes, I had that experience. And even for my friends, I witnessed some where their parents actually decide their choice of how do you call it, program.
Okay.
And I think it's not the best.
Okay.
Now, when you find out that your world or your child is interested in, has a skill in a particular area, you just have to encourage them.
Okay.
You might not know. Yeah, because right now there is unemployment is way too much when it comes to Ghana. Yeah, the rate of unemployment is high. So this is a skill that I have passion in. So that is why I am here now. So I've majored in it from school. So now it's my career now.
That's fine. That's fine. Nice to meet you. You are painting, so I don't want to disturb. Other than I would have talked about all the paintings you have here, but since you are painting, I wouldn't want to disturb you, so I don't allow you to focus on your painting. Maybe another time you'll come and we talk about the painting. I probably sound it because
I can talk about food.
but then that's fine if that's okay, but then let's do that.
Indigenous culture. My works are influenced by them. When you take a good look at them. So this one, for instance, is titled Mau. All my works are titled in Ewe. Yeah. This is a medium, so I feel that we have a very unique culture, and people don't know about the Ewe culture that much. So this is a medium for me to also promote the Ewe culture. So that is why I've titled most of my works in Ewe. So this one particular is called Mau. And then Mau, when you see Mau in the sense that you have a portrait, a male figure, and then a female figure. Yeah. So in the sense that in the Ewe indigenous culture, God is either not a man or a woman, but he has both qualities. So what are some of the qualities? Strong, loving, caring, confident, so on and so forth. You get it? So that is the meaning behind this record, the inspiration behind this record. And then when you take a good look at the background, you see we have Ewe symbols. I believe you know we have Ewe symbols, right? Just like the way the accounts have a symbol. So I'm also trying to promote the Ewe symbols. So you can see some of the symbols in the background. So this symbol particularly is this one is the pot, which means pot, symbolizes perfection. So we know we are not perfect except God. That is what we always say. And so this symbol is a symbol of perfection, or symbolizing perfection. And then this one is a heart. Symbolizes love. You get it? And then this one is Aida. It's a feminine symbol. Aida. So this in the Ewe indigenous culture, this is Aida, which is stone. But then this is a symbol of the woman in the Ewe society, which means that a woman can do away with a man, but can never do away with a stone. So that is a proverb. It's a proverb. A woman can do away with a man, but never do away with a stone. So they are all symbols. Then this one is sword, which in Ewe we call Yai, the symbol of authority or people in leadership. So that is basically the meaning or the symbolic meaning of this word.
That's something unique. To be honest with you, most of the things I explained, I've never known of them. So like, it's good to come around for you.
I have really interesting work with a very meaningful background. This one like this talks about the philosophy of the Ewe people, how their sensitivity towards life, what they think about, what they think life is. So when you look at it, I've divided it into 4 sections. So the first one, which is Maui, is the supreme God. You know that he is the creator of the universe and the giver of life. So he is the supreme God, Mau. And then the one which follows, they are the supernatural beings, which are the ancestral spirits, the lesser gods, the deities, so on and so forth, the ancestors. That's what it represents. And then the green ones, which are the animate beings. So the animate beings are green human beings, animals, plants, Those are the animate beings. Then the last one, which is the inanimate beings.
Oh, okay.
They represent the sun, the moon, the mountains, rivers, and then other water bodies. So when we take this one again, the supernatural beings, they are in the middle of Mau, which is the supreme being, and then the animate beings, which are the human beings. So they receive, or they are the recipients of messages, sacrifices, and worship to the supreme being. So we don't talk to God directly. If we want to pray, we pray through our ancestors, and they receive the sacrifices, worship, and so on and so forth. So that is the main background of this. So my works are basically is influenced by the indigenous Ewe culture.
That's fine. Nice talking to you. And if you wouldn't mind, you can leave your contact with the viewers so that if anybody needs any artwork, they can equally contact you.
Okay, so I'm on Instagram. My handle is Dela_Adonu. And then on Facebook, I am Dela Adonu.
Okay. All right. How about your phone number too? Probably somebody might want to
So
call
my
you
WhatsApp
directly.
line is 0544 4940.
All right. Thank you very much. So viewers, you've just heard him. So he has this artwork and he is displaying it at the Border Fair. He's going to be here till Sunday because Sunday is actually the final day. I guess that's right. He's still there around Sunday. So you can also call him on the contact numbers and the social media handles that he actually shared with you. Whatever you need a painting, you can contact him and he'll be able to tell you the price. But when he's working, so we really want to waste much of his time. So until then, catch you on another episode. Thank you, my brother, for
Thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah.